Hey guys, it's Katie. Thanks for stopping by my channel. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to share with you 10 drugstore products that I reach for over their high-end counterparts. So this isn't a dupes video. This is just a product in a category that I tend to always go for the drugstore version than looking for a high-end version. I got this idea from Jessica Braun, Jam Beauty 89. She is like my top favorite YouTuber. So I will leave her channel in the description box below, but she did 5 products I think, and I am doing 10 products, but let's just go ahead and get started. So the first product are kind of these category of products, the Real Techniques brushes. If I need brushes for anything, I always go to Real Techniques first and see if they have a version that would be good for what I'm looking for, because I have so many of their brushes. I love their eyeshadow shader brushes. I love their face brushes. I use this as a setting brush or as a highlighter. I use this as like a concealer brush. I have so many, and they're great. I love them. I use them every day. The next product is a finishing powder, and I know there are so many high-end companies coming out with finishing powders right now, but I am sticking with my Coty Airspun Loose Finishing Powder. It's in translucent, and you get so much bang for your buck. I mean, this is 2.3 ounces, so that's like over twice what you would get in a regular setting powder container from a high-end brand, and you can get it at the drugstore. It's like $5, and I reach for it every time. I use it to carve out my contour. I use it to set under my eyes, to set anywhere else on my face. I just always go to it. The color is perfect. It doesn't white you out. It doesn't give you a flashback. Yeah, I really love it. The next product are these e.l.f. Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes, cleansing cloths. You guys, these are like $3 a bag, or you can sometimes get a 2-pack for $5. They are just so good. They are so wet and full of product that they get swatches off, they get your makeup off. They're really good, and because of their affordability, I never go for a a more high-end brand, because you can just get so much out of these. The next product are these NYX Butter Glosses. They have the perfect mix of pigment and gloss and staying power. I have like probably 6 or 7 shades of the NYX Butter Glosses. They are true to color in their container, but if you need a tried and true gloss that you know is going to give you pigment, but it's going to be glossy, but it's going to last on your lips, these are so good and so affordable. Next, I have an eyebrow product. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And again, there's so many high-end brands that have really good eyebrow products, but this is the one I keep going to. This is the one that I keep repurchasing. It does the job that any high-end brand can do. And along with that is another NYX product. It's their Tinted Brow Mascara. So it's kind of like a brow gel, but it gives you color as well. And guys, it's just good. You can use it alone and it'll give you color and shape your brows and keep them in place, or you can use it over a different brow pencil. That's the word I was looking for. You can use it over a brow pencil to set your brows, and it just gives you a little bit more definition, and yeah. Next, this will not be a surprise, but it is the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I probably will never purchase a high-end mascara after this, because I get everything I want in this. I get thickness, I get volume, I get curl, it stays. I mean, I get everything in this one mascara, one brush. It does it all. Next is the, okay, my products are falling all over, but it's fine, it's fine. Next is the, okay, all the writing is off, but this is the e.l.f. like ShadowLock eyelid primer, I think. Again, this is like a couple dollars, and I do love the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but this, I mean, I've purchased it so many times because it's like, why spend the money when this does just as good a job at holding your eyeshadow on, preventing them from getting oily, and it's so hard to go for a high-end shadow primer because this really, it's what you want. It does everything you want. Next are these eyeliners from Maybelline. They're the Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencils, and these I love to get my different colors in if I want different colors of eyeliners. There's no way I'm going to go to a high-end brand to get my different colors because these are so incredibly creamy. They are pigmented, they last all day. I mean, they're even kind of hard to get off when I swatch them on my hand sometimes because they are waterproof, but they come in the like most vibrant, pretty colors. So the last product, I just have a travel version here, but I do have the full version in my bathroom. I just was too lazy to go get it. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo, and I have the one for dark hair, but again, it's the full-size one is a couple dollars. There are so many good high-end dry shampoos, but I mean, this gives you texture, it gives you volume, it soaks up any grease, and you can also get it in a color, so if you're dark-haired, you don't get that white cast. So those are my 10 products. Hopefully there were 10, but I continue to reach for them. And I don't even like try looking for a high-end brand of them because, or a high-end version of them, because I just love my drugstore version so well, and I can't imagine a higher end brand doing it any better. So I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more. Thanks for stopping by, guys.